It's Tuesday, May 21st. I'm buying some Tesla here at 178.90. This is on the 15-minute chart that opened up very strong above the pre-market range and then held up here and is following through on bar number 2. So you'll put the stop kind of at the halfway point of that first bar. You expect that to hold if it's going to be directional day the upside. What I kind of like here is you have a big consolidation area that had an opportunity. Yesterday was kind of an inside red bar, and now obviously starting kind of above the midpoint of the prior day, heading up into a 2-up day towards the top of that range. Let's call it the psychological 180 area. So I think it's going to hit 180, and then we'll see what develops from there. Is it going to break right on through, or is it going to fail? In the bigger picture, I kind of see the stock when it made lower lows here. I drew these broadening formation in that it could be working towards higher highs. It obviously had a little bit of a sell-off here once it moved from all the way like 150 to 200, but we consolidated for a couple of weeks inside green bar. If we can get that weekly 2 up, which is above 180, then that projects for the rest of the week up here to the 187 area is kind of the next target, on its way possibly to the top of this broadening formation above 200. So I kind of like where it's trying to go in the big picture after a lot of consolidation here, after kind of a gap up. It's now making that move to test, that 180 area, and from there we see if it breaks out or fails. So this opening price action seems to show, it wants to test this area. That should be enough to set up an overage trade. Hopefully it blows right through there once it gets up there, and then we have a nice green day to the upside on day number 2 of the week. So, it will be that weekly 2 up here on the inside bar that could project back towards that top of the broadening formation. So let's see what develops on Tesla here as it kind of is trying to break through bar number 1 on the 15-minute chart.